Hi, my name is Mark Rushmore and I am the co-founder of Suri, which is short for Sustainable Rituals. We created Suri to make brushes that were more sustainable, more enjoyable to use, and give you a great quality of clean. In our research, we found out that electric brushes are really not that sustainable. Every year, 4 billion toothbrushes are thrown out and end up in landfill and our oceans. What's more, virtually every toothbrush you've ever used since you were a little child probably still exists. Amazon has supported our business in lots of different ways. Actually, they first reached out to us by email to invite us onto an accelerator. That accelerator helped our business grow from having never shipped a single product to having shipped over 100,000 products, both on Amazon and off Amazon. To me, Amazon is strategic, scalable, and ripe with opportunities to grow. The Climate Pledge Friendly badge has helped our brand by enabling shoppers to find our sustainable electric toothbrush more quickly and easily. Amazon are really putting their money where their mouth is. It's not easy to be sustainable always, and obviously Amazon is a huge company, but that also gives you the opportunity for Amazon to have a really massive impact when it comes to supporting smaller businesses like ours so that consumers can make more sustainable choices in their day-to-day. And we are enormously and genuinely grateful to have that support of other people who feel like almost like an extension of our team to help our business grow.